Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys, welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today we are leaving Rovaniemi, our apartment here, and we're heading in the car to an amethyst mine, one of the world's, well, the world's only public amethyst mine. So let's get on it. We've just made a quick pit stop at the world's most northern McDonald's. There is nothing further north in the world from McDonald's than this one in Rovaniemi. So quickly get a little bit of lunch and then head straight up to the amethyst mine. I'm excited for this. Okay, in the most northern McDonald's in the world, chicken Big Mac, sweet potato fries from McDonald's.
Fanta lemon.
Fanta lemon.
Couldn't even get that in Spain.
Sweet potato fries are unreal. Let's go. Also, check out these postcards they have. That's pretty cool for McDonald's to do that. Actual sun. So that means if it stays like this, we've got a good chance of seeing the northern lights tonight. But look at this landscape. We've just had to stop for a second just to admire this place. Look at this. I think I'm going to put the drone up because this is absolutely beautiful. So this is the main road we're driving down here. And we've just pulled into this little parking, like someone's just left their snowmobile there. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. We're gonna get the lights tonight if it stays like this. Come on! Check this out with the snow as well. Watch. It's literally powder. Yes, Finland. Look. So Pam's got the drone up. She's loving this tree at the bottom. She's getting some footage of it. But just look at this place. Sun's out, crispy snow under the feet. This is what it's all about. Yes. Look at that all untouched snow down there. Somebody sat in there. Look at that, his t-shirt or jacket print and everything. Okay, this should be now on the microphone. Hopefully it's all set up right and you can hear me a little better. We're just walking in now. We're getting on the Pendolino to go up to the top. The amethyst mine. This is looking pretty epic so far. So this is what's taken us up. Look at this, we've just pulled up. Look at this, man. Wow. Look at this for toilets. You can hear the branches of the trees. What a place. So this is what we've travelled up on. It's a big boy. Got the plough at the front. Then trades it into any snow. Obviously it's super thick up here. And the mine is located just behind us. Just having a little mission around. Look at that. One way to get around. That's the way. Travelling style. Right, we're going up to the mine now. So we're getting back on. Look at this view.
Alright, hello everyone.
She's just separating the Finnish people with that guy, and she's doing the English tour. I can't believe these views though, look. You know, people talk about Iceland and you must visit Iceland. Honestly, I've been to both, and Finland, for natural beauty, trumps Iceland every time. Look at this. Right, 2 is starting, we're going in. So we're just about to go down to the mine now. We've just had the talk in here. Such a cool little room. We're going to get a little footage of the different types of amethyst, and there's one called a shaman where you get all 3, the quartz,
Smoky quartz, and amethyst. And it's only found in this place in the entire world.
Also, it has to fit in your closed fist. Look at the cups.
Do we take the little chunks from here?
No, we take it from down. Yeah.
Just look at that view. This place is mind blowing. Right, we're going down into the mine. Are you excited, fam? We're going to get some amethyst. So it looks like you just choose your spot and then go crazy. So Pam's just having a little dig. Go on, Pam, get into it.
That's just a stone.
So this is the current situation. Pam's digging in this hole here. I've got my own little mine down here that I'm checking.
Done. That's one.
So just an update. This is my hole now. Going deep. This is what we've found so far. We'll keep looking. Actually, I'll show you for a little. Right, we're leaving. We're leaving now, going upstairs. But we've found some absolute cool pieces. I'll show you how you identify them outside. Right, we've just come out. Look at the colour of it. I feel like I've been working in that mine. And I'm just on my lunch break. The weather's changed so quick. So now that we're back up, I've just washed the piece I found with snow, and you can see the bits of quartz inside of it. But I'll show you the trick. It's probably not going to work as well here, but if you shine a light from your phone or a torch straight through it, you'll see through it, whereas a stone you don't. I'll try and show you later, I'll remember. Just washed my hands in the snow. My god, that was a mistake. I can't believe the clouds have come in now though. Right, we're going back down the mountain now. Just getting in. Let's go. And that's it, we're away with our little rocks.
What?
We're away with our rocks.
They're not rocks, they're gems. Stones.
Did you enjoy that, Pam?
I loved it. I've never been mining for anything,
It was pretty fun.
so it was really special.
Now let's go back to the car and look at our spoils, and I'll explain how you see if it's a gem or not. Right, we're just back at the car now, just having our packed lunch, little ham and cheese croissant, and then we're going to have a look at the light situation because we're quite far north already, so we're going to do a little research and I'll show you the gems. So we're back in the car. I want to show you. So this is how you test. So you put the light, your phone, a torch, anything, and you get your gem and you hold it on, and see how you can't see through that there. So that is definitely rock. But then if you get a gem, now this one is very big, so it might not work. See how you can see through? See that? So that, obviously it needs washing up. That is all amethyst in there. Exciting, right? We've just pulled up quick because this sunset, you might be able to see it there. We're going to put the drone up, check this out. Right, we're just back at the Airbnb now, and I've got the stones we got today in water, just rinsing them off. But look at the amount of purple on this guy. Whew, that's a beast. I'll just let the others soak for a bit because they're covered in like the sandy soil, so let them soak and then we'll have a look at Pam's as well. Look, use this to kick. Use the tree. Use the tree. Wait.